Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is binary option rise forecast. Make $400 plus daily for $1. Drop BINORF cost. So you will see it live here. We are taking $1 to $400 plus in a day. That is just a part of it. You are going to also take $1 to $11,000 plus or $40,000 plus. It all depends on the number of trades you are taking in a day. For night trade, you are taking $1 to $400 plus. For 14 trades, you are taking $1 to $11,000 plus, and for 16 trades, you are taking $1 to $40,000 plus. Okay, so this is a nice course to invest in. Okay, don't procrastinate. I'm just doing it to help those that have lost so much money trading the margin. This is binary is not margin. So here you take advantage of microeconomic price movement and make massive profit after certain time, maybe few minutes. You are done making the profit. Okay, so the course will teach you, depending on how eager you are to learn, you can start making money after the first 2 to 3 days of buying the course. Even when you are learning, or while you are learning the course, you are making money in real time. Okay, so you need to get this course. You can see it live, winning. We're already on $124 plus just for $1. Okay, so a lot of people we do a lot of things in life, spending huge money and no result. But if you do this thing, it will be a good thing to you. Okay, the reef have made a lot of people lose money, but WinFX Trading have come up with this idea of how to take $1 to $400 plus and beyond. Okay, so the next thing people are now asking is, what is the cost? What is the cost fee? It's not all that costly. The actual cost of getting this drop BINORF cost is $500. But the first 100 people that will DM me for the cost, we get it at a whopping 50% discount, which is $250. Take action, change your life. You can